Plastic Ocean Foundation 同好多學校組成咗呢個南海校園網絡。動能正海號就係我哋一個重點活動之一，以 STEM 為核心嘅教學活動。我哋希望通過有趣嘅學習體驗，令到學生可以更加了解氣候嘅問題同埋塑膠污染嘅問題，從而從佢哋自身出發，改變佢哋嘅生活習慣，而減少塑膠廢料嘅製造。The heat would excite the proton on the metal thing, and then it would generate electric current, produce electricity. So are you ready to do your boat? STEM 嘅教育係可以啟發學生進行思考，認知咗知識之後，去點樣解決現實中嘅問題。好似我哋今日嘅太陽能船啦，我哋會講返再生能源嘅重要性，科技點樣可以保護我哋嘅環境，希望啟發到佢哋可以繼續努力去讀書，同埋將今日學到嘅嘢傳播出去，佢身邊嘅人啦，佢嘅家人啦，可以改變佢哋嘅生活習慣，而減少塑膠廢料，進行環境保護。我哋亦都希望學生可以返到學校之後，作為我哋嘅環保大使，將我哋嘅信息宣揚俾學校每一個同學。We are going out to the beach now. You have to think about what happened. What is the consequence once a piece of plastic on the water? You can be our ambassador to reduce plastic and talk about renewable energy. 微塑膠係全球嘅問題。入咗海洋之後，唔單止會影響海洋生態，對海洋生物造成好大嘅傷害，其實最後都會害咗我哋嘅人類嘅。而改善呢個問題最好嘅方法就係我哋點樣可以喺日常生活嗰度減少使用一次性嘅塑膠，妥善嘅清潔回收，或者用一啲對海洋友善嘅防曬產品，咁樣我哋就可以減低微塑膠嘅產生啦。耶！